Hey guys, welcome to the Car Audio Center, and today we're going to be unboxing the Road Angel Halo Drive dash camera. Show you everything that you'll get in the box if you do order one. First off, you'll see a very big instruction manual that gives you all the details to setting the product up and how to use it. You also get your main product, which comes with a nice 3M sticky pad. Make sure it keeps it very secure and attached to the windscreen. On the side here it does have a small access panel that allows you to get to the SD card slot. It also has a microphone slot on the end which will record your voice or any sounds whilst you're driving. You have the USB to micro USB connection that attaches from the lighter socket, which also comes in the bottom of here. Now this is a dual USB lighter socket connection. You would use the top, which is a 1 amp feed for using the product, and then we normally recommend for the 2.1 amp feed in the lower section to be used for charging your smartphone. You do also get a spare 3M sticky pad, so if you have to remove it from your car and put it into another vehicle, you've got a spare pad there. Now again, with this product you can also use Road Angel's 5V hardwire kit, which will allow you to connect into the vehicle so that you have less cables on display, and it means you don't have to use the lighter socket connection for the product. It's a more permanent fixture and it is definitely what we recommend with this product. So here's just a quick overview of everything you'll receive in the box if you order a Road Angel Halo Drive. If you do have any questions, drop a comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.